Hello friends, welcome back to the barn. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. About a month ago or so, I did a review on a 14-inch battery operated chainsaw, a Badger chainsaw. Well, for some reason they liked that so well, they sent me this 4-in-1 multi-tool, they call it, as a gift. Because I mentioned I needed a weed eater. So they sent me this. So this isn't really an official review. Looks like the box got pretty beat up in shipping. But I'm gonna check it out because, you know, I got all this clearing to do out here, and this has, you know, the weed eater, the brush blade, hedge trimmer attachment, and the chainsaw attachment, all on this weed eater. So I'm gonna open this thing up and see what's in it. Then we'll go from there. At least make sure. I will say that. I don't know where you want yours, but thanks, at least make sure. Alright. Okay. Well, this is gonna be fun. Bunch of bags. Obviously the instruction manual that I definitely do not want to throw away because this could be rather complicated. That's a pretty neat handle. Strap. Well, there's the string head. A bag of tools, like spark plug wrench, Allen wrench, open end wrenches, zip ties. That's obviously for the string head, the weed eater. All right. Man, it's a big box, a lot of stuff in it. Let me get this out of the way. .26cc motor. Doesn't look too difficult, looks pretty normal. Put this down here for right now. There's the brush blade. Yeah, it's hefty. This is obviously for the brush cutting head or the trimmer head. This has chainsaw markings on it. Nothing in it. Badger. There's the chain. Guess you got to put it all together. And that's the attachment for that. Oh good, it has a bar and chain oil reservoir. Oh, look at that. That's how you make adjustments on it. You can adjust the angle. I think I'm gonna like this better than like the pole chainsaws, because those things get a little sloppy. You get it out so long. This is 10 inches and it's gonna be very rigid. So, that's the chainsaw part. Nothing else in there. This must be the hedge trimmer. Well, yeah. Damn. This has adjustments on it. I have to play with it and figure it all out. But yeah. The pole for that. All right. And these are heavy duty. These are not lightweight stuff. You know? Now let me get all of this out of the way. It's like Christmas time. I am not going to bore you with watching me try to figure out how all of this assembles. Because I'm going to try to put the pieces together and then I'll shoot some video of trying out the different parts. I'm going to put the brush blade on. I don't need the 17-inch string trimmer right now. I've still got my Troy belt, still works. Not the best, but I'm gonna do the handle for it. This is gonna be fun. Let me get to work reading the book. See if I can figure out how to put all this together, and then I'll be back. The first time you put this stuff together, give yourself some time. And don't have any young children around. But I think I have it all together. I like this. This is the hedge trimmer part. Squeeze these two pieces in, and you can adjust this to cut like so if you were reaching up to a hedge or whatever you happen to be cutting, which makes it nice. The saw blade, which was a trip to get on, but it's on there. You pull this little plunger out and you can move it to get cuts like so. Reach up to cut a branch or something, if that makes sense. Pull that down. And I didn't put the string head on the weed eater I'm using the brush blade. Like so. I don't have the guard on it because the picture doesn't show the guard on it. And I know when I use my Echo that has the blade on it with the, you know, a lot of shit gets caught up in there. I think that guard gets in the way. I don't know. But let me get some bar and chain oil in here. I like this because the air filter is easy to remove. You don't need a tool. Here's the air filter. Choke. Run. It's got an off button. You turn it off and it automatically returns back to the on position. Let's put a 50-to-1 fuel mixture. Let's put some fuel in it and see if it fires up. See what we get. Let's push the bulb 10 times. Alright, I see fuel everywhere. Put it up on start. It's on. Put it on run. Quiet. I like this. Vibrating too much. That's tight. Immediately. I might not have this one on right. Best as I can tell, but it's got way too much vibration. Let me work on this for a minute. That's where I screwed up. See, it popped back off again, damn it. There we go. There we go. You gotta hold too many things. Come on, God damn it. Yeah. No vibration. No noise. So I had it wrong. All right, that one works good. I'm pleased with that. Now I'm going to try the hedge trimmer. That's pretty good. All right, to do this, I'm going to loosen this up. Like so. Push that button in, pull that one out. These are all keyed. So if I put this one down, that, then this one, hopefully, will go in. Like so. I've never used one of these before. This is a new one. Holy crap, it's heavy. That thing got real heavy. That's how it works. Okay, that works. If that was regular hedges. But I don't know if you can see all the dead that's in there. That's all going to have to be cut out. The hedge trimmer's not going to do it. But boy, it sure takes a load of this stuff out. Wow. I'm going to try to knock down some over here. I'm going to try to knock down some of this off the top anyway. And then I got a bunch of blackberry bush over there that's just totally wild. I'll see if that hedge trimmer will knock some of that out. I'd say this attachment works, considering what it's going through. Now, I'm not going to need the chainsaw part to cut these, because that's the regular I'll just do with the chainsaw. So I don't really have a test for it yet. I'm not going to worry about it. But I'm sure it will work as good as that brush blade does and the hedge trimmer. Now I'm getting ate up with ants. There were some ants in there somewhere. Red ants, it looks like. Them ants are chewing me up. But I'm going to put the brush blade back on there and try to finish going around the curve down here and on that side and see how wide I can get this again. Because like I said, I used to drive my truck down through there. I don't know how much I got off the last battery, but you can see the trail of destruction all the way down through there, all the way up this side, around through there. I got to get the rake it all up, and I mean, I wasn't planning on doing this. I have to go get ready for my live stream, rake all this up, bring my truck so I can cut down some of these little trees. What's amazing is there's a burn barrel down there that I saw, I got close to. I used to take the lawnmower down through here, around that burn barrel and across. That's how much this is overgrown in 2 years. So, but yeah, I could drive my truck, well, once I clean all the mess up, I could drive my truck all the way down the other side of the barn now. So, this thing, I will say, is a beast. I like it. I like the way this thing takes out, I mean, it's so much less trouble. And it really knocks this shit down. I'm really impressed. And the hedge trimmer, you saw it topped all that stuff off, all the sides. I mean, that's what happens. This multi-floor rose starts growing out this way, making like an archway, and you got to keep getting further and further away from it, because if you ride the mower along that, it's going to rip you to shreds. So, these 3 tools is all I need to start clearing all this stuff out again. It will be so much easier than what we did up there along the property line, because this is just going to really, I'm glad I got this. I recommend it. Definitely. Man, what a job it did. Anyway, This is Joe out here at St. Bernard Acres. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I'm liking it. I'm gonna get everything put up and then try and decide what I'm gonna do. But I will either see you at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock tonight. We'll go from that. I'm definitely gonna do a live stream. Wow. Good stuff.